Now, Hannah, if I ask you to move off from here, how are you going to move off? 6-point check. Good. Why do you do 6-point check?
To make sure there's no one coming.
Right. And how do you judge a distance of the car beside you? Then you're going to wait for somebody, or you go before that person?
Like how quickly you can move off before they come behind you. Like,
How quickly? That's a good one. So this is one of the reasons people do fail their test, unfortunately, because it's not very safe. When you use a word how quickly, it means it is not safe. You have to take extra step to keep everyone safe. Do you know what I mean? So if I'm you, what I will do, if they are like, because our speed right now is 0, their speed we don't know. Doesn't matter speed is 20 or 30 of the road. Answer is we don't know. Imagine some Golf or Audi or Mercedes coming. There's a reason they have those cars, you know.
yeah.
So I will assess which car is it, and I also assess their driving speed. Then I will move off, or I'll decide to know I'm going to wait for that car.
Yeah.
It always says better be safe than sorry, right? So when you're doing 6-point check, before you do 6-point check, get the car ready. Be more productive with your moving off. Waiting, going or not going is different story, you know. So be more productive, right? So if I'm you, I will go in gear 1, and I will do my handbrake down if it is not uphill, or you know, there's no danger car gonna roll back. So this and that together, alongside left blind spot. Yeah. And the reason people unfortunately unsuccessful of moving off, not only making a wrong judgment, also the right blind spot. They do check left, but they don't check right blind spot. It's a technique which I have discussed with you. So you bring your right hand here, and now you push yourself left. You know why we check left blind spot?
Yeah.
Why?
In case there's people coming.
People, can you see that black gate?
Yeah.
There's no gate actually. Black, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Somebody can come out from there. And blind spot is something which is not covered by. We can't see in a mirror. Then we check mirror. Why do we check mirror?
To make sure there's no one.
Pedestrian, etc. Good, towards your car, walking towards your car. Number 3, we can see front of us. What exactly we looking for?
Like maybe someone's crossing the road.
Someone crossing the road, situation of the road, how wide the road is. Maybe we are very close to this black car, so do we need to make an angle before we start moving properly? Do we need to just creep out a bit? How much angle do we require? And is there any car coming from other side if road is narrow? We assess everything. Number 4 is this. This is very, very important, and people do underestimate this one. What are we looking in here?
Like the car behind. Like what's behind.
Well done. The car parked behind us. Sometime when you're having an unlucky day, so you ready to move off, the person behind you, he's ready to come out as well. And if he is applying indicator, what would you do?
Wait.
You wait, no matter what. Just wait. Just wait. I would strongly recommend you. And number 5 is that car beside us, the one we discussed. And number 6 is right blind spot. And how do we check right blind spot? Take your left hand a bit more towards there, and then push it. And you're looking at the Audi car. Can you see Audi in your right? Bit more 45 angle. This Audi car, the black color car, parked in your right.
Yeah.
You're looking there. If in case somebody coming out from the driveway, maybe there's a side road, you know, maybe cyclists just crossing the road, could be anything. Very, very, very third biggest reason people is failing for that, moving off safely. Start from here, finish from here. While you're doing it, make sure you go gear 1, handbrake down, make it more productive. Happy with this?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Once you're ready, move off, please. Gear 1.
Like as you're doing it.
Yeah, make it more productive. You know, there's no certain hard and fast road, and handbrake down same time as well. If there's no danger, car gonna roll back. You know. And when do you apply indicator? If there's no one behind you, just apply indicator. And eyes on the right mirror while you're moving off. This is excellent move. Yeah. So indicator is the last thing you do. If anybody behind you and you're waiting for air beside you, do you apply indicator?
No.
No. You stay behind white.